Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. In this video, we're going to unbox the Logitech BRIO webcam. We're going to take a look at what's inside and give you an overview and run down the technical specifications. So if you're interested to watch, please stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, so we're going to unbox the Logitech BRIO. Very simple box made out of recycled materials. So let's open this one. I recently got this from the Sada sale. This one cost around 11,000 pesos and we got a discount of around 10,000 pesos from all the promos. So this one is a high-end web camera. Of course, not as high-end or not as quality as a DSLR camera, but this is as high as you can get from the Logitech product lineup. This Logitech BRIO is a 4K Pro web camera. Okay, this is the inside of the box. And it can run at 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 60 frames per second and 720p up to 90 frames per second. So let's take a look at what else aside from the camera. So this is just the plain box. This was launched, I think, 2019, 2018. Been a long time since Logitech created another one. They have a new one, the Stream Cam, but that one is, I think, a little inferior in technical specifications. Okay, so we have the actual model of this one is BRIO C1000E 4K. So this is the instruction. So this one also came with a privacy, I think this is the privacy cover. So if you're not going to use your webcam, you can cover it like this one. Cover it like this, I think. Okay, so it came with a USB Type A and USB Type C. Okay, and it came with a carry bag. Very nice cloth. I think this can also serve as a wipe for your camera. Okay, so let's look at the camera in itself. Let's remove it from the packaging. Okay, let's take a look at the dimensions of at least the camera close up in all angles. Okay, the way to assemble it is, if I'm not mistaken, it should be like this. Okay, so imagine you have your monitor here. So it hangs overhead in your monitor. Okay, so you can up and down. Okay, so this is the side view. Okay, and the bottom view. You can actually remove this one, the whole module, and plug it into a moving head. Okay, so it depends upon your usage. Okay, so what are the specifications again? This is a 4K camera. Now you don't need to, if you're looking for a 1080p 60 frames per second, this also works. And it comes with a 5x digital zoom. It has 3 angles of view. So you have 90 degrees, you have 78 degrees, and 65 degrees. So 90 degrees, you get a wider shot of your area, and 65 you get a more close-up shot of your view. So yeah, so we'll dive into the software maybe in the next video and how to tweak this one, and we'll also show you the footage, the 4K 1080p footage sample. And of course this one has also omnidirectional microphone, so you have 2 microphones. Okay, so let's see what else. This is compatible until Windows 10. So Windows 7 later, Windows 8.1, 10. Also works with Mac OS. Yeah, it also has a autofocus. So your camera shot will focus on your face. Okay, so what else do you need to know? Good for teleconferencing, for video calls. So I do a lot of video calls almost every week. So this one would help me work from my home. I'll put the links in the description below and the technical specifications for this product. And if you want to buy this one, you can also put in the Lazada links and the Shopee links below. If you want to support the channel, you can use those links to buy this Logitech BRIO. Now, this Logitech BRIO actually is a little bit on the high end of webcams, but I guarantee you it is a good quality webcam. Thank you very much for watching my simple unboxing video of this Logitech BRIO 4K camera. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll put everything in the description below. So please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.